Hey, this is Ellie from Magic Beans, and in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to know about the UPPAbaby Knox Convertible car seat. This is the first convertible car seat from UPPAbaby. We know you love UPPAbaby. You love their Vista, your Cruise, the Mesa, all those great products. Boston-based company, go Boston Strong. And I'm going to tell you all about this new convertible car seat. Now, if you have any questions about the Knox convertible car seat or any other convertible car seat, you need to go to mbeans.com/questions or call us at 617-383-8259 or just leave a comment below. If you're new to the channel, my name is Ellie from Magic Beans Videos, where we review and compare the latest and greatest in baby gear. Now, without further ado, here is the Knox convertible car seat by UPPAbaby. Here's the Knox, comes in a bunch of different colors. So a couple of basic features: non-rethread harness. This lifts right here, and it goes right down, up and down. This is in the forward-facing position. Now, if you know what a convertible car seat is, it's a car seat that goes from rear-facing to forward-facing. So let's put this in the rear-facing position that you will start using your car seat as. Okay, so I'm going to turn around the car seat. Here, you pull this up, and so you can recline it back like this. Now, something interesting is that this is not a from-birth product. Now, you can add an accessory to this to make it work from birth, but in the interim, it is not going to be a from birth product. UPPAbaby believes that an all-in-one car seat really isn't where it's at, that you should start with an infant car seat with a Mesa or a Pippa or some sort of product. Obviously, they'd like you to buy a Mesa, but then you're going to transition on to the Knox. In terms of installation, the optimal way to install a convertible car seat is with a seatbelt. So let me show you how they did that. Very similar to a Rava, you have like a secret compartment. Pull this all the way up, and now this unvelcros. And very similar to the Mesa, they have a SMARTSecure system with this as well. So you can see that there is a little red indicator in the window, but there isn't actually a tensioning plate. It's more of a lock-off. Let's show you how this works. So what you do is you take your seatbelt and you pop it through. They actually did a really great job with this. Let me just take this out. I'll show you why. Sometimes it's really confusing whether you're supposed to put both of the seatbelt parts through the different slits or one of them. But what they did is they really designed this beautifully. And what you're going to do is you're going to put the lap belt part of the seatbelt, and you're going to put it right through this very generous slot. So you just put it through just like that. Click that in. Okay, I clicked it in. Now, what you're going to do, and here's the fun part, is you're going to put a little bit, you're going to pull this across. You want to pull it towards you. And look what's happening. Look what's happening. It is now green. It is now green. That little window is green. And all you have to do is put the shoulder belt part through. Green. And it is locked off. Boom. It does not move. So what you're doing is you're putting your weight down, and what you're doing is you're putting it through the side, on the shoulder belt side of the lock-off, and it is secure. You know it because it's green. So like I said, it's a hybrid of a traditional installation and this new type of installation. They have a very similar system for installation when you're doing forward-facing. You have lock-offs on the forward position. Red is forward-facing, blue is rear-facing. Again, you put it through, add the tension, red turns to green, so you know it's securely installed. They do have latch connectors in this as well. You can see there's a little secret compartment here, and there are your latch connectors. So you could use latch connectors if you wanted, using like a traditional installation system, but UPPAbaby's recommendation is that you actually use a seatbelt because of the different seatbelt laws and latch laws. There is another feature that I wanted to show you that is absolutely unique. So instead of putting a load leg, now we love load legs. We see them, not on the Mesa yet, maybe in 2000 something or other, but you may have a Pippa and you see there's a load leg. And that is a third connection point, which does a number of different things. It slows down the motions when you're forward-facing crash. It avoids rebounding, and it just is an extra connection point to the car to make it installed more securely. Now, convertible car seats in America at this particular second do not have load legs, and neither does the Knox. But what they do have is a really interesting and unique and innovative rear-facing tether. Now, we used to have rear-facing tethers on Britax seats. They don't really have that anymore. But this is completely different. So if you're like old like me and you have these old seats, you'll see this is a different system. Number one, it's yellow. It's bright. It's going to look great in your car. It's really yellow. By using this, it will reduce your head and injury criteria score by 38%. So this is how this works. You take your tether. We're going to take this. We're going to put it right down here. It's going to go right through the slot. It's going to come around, and it's good. This one is in between the back of the headrest. And you are going to lock on there's an anchor back here, and you're going to lock on the anchor. Anchors in cars predated latches. So your car very, 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 very likely has a rear anchor. Check your instruction manual of your car to find out where your rear anchor is. And so what this does is similar to like a European belt path or a load leg. When your car goes in this direction, it is going to pull it back so that it's going to stop the motions forward. It's going to keep it more secure, and it's also going to help with anti-rebound, which is a really cool new feature that this has. Also, and wait, there's more. They also added side impact protection pods, and what they have is a conical EPP foam inside of that in that side pod, which reduces the crash forces when you're in a side impact crash. There's also EPP foam that polypropylene styrofoam like they have in motorcycle helmets within the sides of the seat, as well as in the side impact protection headrest. And there's also super awesome memory foam in that headrest. So your child is going to be really comfortable and really safe by that shock absorbing material in the headrest. So there you have it. My first look review of the UPPAbaby Knox Convertible car seat. I hope you liked the review. If you liked it, give me a like. And I am planning on doing many comparisons of the Knox. I'll be comparing it to the Rava, Kleck Foomph, whole host of other seats. And I want you to stay in tune. So you got to subscribe to our channel today. Hit the bell. Hit that cute little bell to be alerted when we produce new videos. If you have any questions about the Knox, you can go to mbeans.com/questions. Give us a call at 617-383-8259, or just leave a comment below. And remember, the UPPAbaby Knox will be available to buy from us, from Magic Beans, with free shipping. Thanks for watching.